Hi loves, this is just a quick video in the windy LA park to tell you guys about a new LA Goddess workshop I'm putting on August 17th. And it's going to be 3 hours long from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. under my favorite home tree in Hermosa Beach. And if you want to come, you can go to my website, sign up. There is an early bird sale before it ends up going to regular price. You can see the dates over there. I like to do these every so often, and I will just say the LA Goddesses are some of my favorite goddesses across this nation. There are so many of us here. If you feel like coming, come, because you're going to definitely meet some cool people. So many soul family here in this town. We'll be making flower crowns, which is always so great. Once you start a craft like that, it's easy to talk and unload and unwind. And we'll also be talking about things like sacred sensitivity, what it is to be an empath, what it is to be a living goddess in this world that is not necessarily friendly to living goddesses, what community means, what sharing means, what boundaries mean. And also, afterward, the flower crown is just cool because it stays for a day or two if you keep it in the fridge overnight. And it's so fun to wear them around town and see, especially what the kids do when they see you. It's super cool. So I hope you're all doing very well. I hope to see some of you guys at the LA Goddess Workshop. Again, it's August 17th, 2019 from 10 to 1. It's going to be in Hermosa Beach, and I will put the info on my website. You can go to the link in my bio. It's karismelina.com. And I hope to see you guys there. Sending you guys so much love. This has been a crazy time. It's been crazy for me too. Woohoo! Still crazy. But I really think that if we can come back to that space of sacredness within us, and if we can interact with the loves in our life that keep us safe and hold our hearts in a sacred space too, then we can navigate it with flying freaking colors, and we can come out so much brighter on the other side. Send you guys so much love. I'll see you soon.